You want a proper fix? Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want your J's fixed? Call me. Me have the remix? Call me. From the other day, it's like I play some boy I play. Me hear the girls calling, me hear the girls bawling, me hear the girls crying now. She said, Beanie, I wanna do the wickedest lamb. I need a 1, 2, 3, oh man. I wanna do the whole way, tie me to the fan. And thought I could handle this piece like a man. I wanna do the wickedest lamb. I need a 1, 2, 3, oh man. I wanna do the whole way, do me in his fan. And thought I could handle this piece like a, yep. If you love it, all out me one time.
Hello, beauties. Welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are wonderful. And I'm wishing everyone a beautiful day. You know, these days the feminine urge to really change your hair ever so often is hard to resist. So why not just fall for it and try to set your eyes on one of those beautiful short natural hairstyle you've been piling up in your camera roll. So we have those styles that will give you that inspirational ideas on the kind of length and the kind of style that will suit your face shape. Take a good look on those beautiful styles. You can see how the styles are really in vogue these days, and this style is so polished that it offers those blonde finish that looks equally good on beautiful black women. One thing about the style is that it will make you look younger and classy, and it's a style that will always help to make your hair look modern and contemporary. I love this beautiful style because it's an ultra short natural hairstyle that will always add volume to your hair, and you can see how the style really makes the transformation less dramatic. If it's the first time here in Wendy Style, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here in Wendy Style to celebrate short natural hair texture, and will give you different styles and information that will enhance your coil pattern. So if you really want to look so beautiful, you really want the best of styles that will really take many years off your age, go for this beautiful style because it's versatile combination that creates that delicate frame, around your face, while it's still giving your face that excellent blend of structure and softness that guarantees that flattering look. So let me just let you guys to please take your time and watch this video to the end, because we have this effortless short natural haircut that will make you look beautiful and gorgeous in no time. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. God bless you guys. So look to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short natural haircut coming your way in the next few hours.
Seeing this and seeing that, hey, going here and going there. Soon you will find out the man I'm supposed to be. This man don't trouble no one, but if you trouble this man, it will bring a bam bam. What a bam bam, what a bam bam, bam bam bila bam bam.
Putting on my trust,
Bam bam,
girl, I'm in love with you. It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you. Cause it ain't 'cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, 'cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so it's you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever, forever, forever. Say everybody don't say you're me, I know that. See, I never thought that I would find someone like you that would control my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry 'cause you don't make me fall in.
If I die now, I go happy, say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Now so I bad. Anywhere I just go. If you help me see it go, if you tell her I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she no look me and so don't pang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, 'cause the song ain't my right for you. I go find one place where I go hide my head, 'cause I won't start my whole life anew. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she no love me and so. If you help me see it go, make you tell her I don't go, she no love me and so.